Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to a new video. So this is 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 and this is the latest G63 version. And today we are at AutoNelin. Special thanks for having us here today. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified for all upcoming episodes. And thank you very much for your support. Alright guys, so first let's take a look at the exterior and then we will hop in the car and we will take a look at the interior as well and listen to the sound of the engine. So this is the really beautiful paint, and this one is called the classic grey manufacturer paint. One layer, this is not a metallic version, just a solid paint. And this one was the Arabian grey before, so this is the very well-known light sort of medium shade of the grey, and I really love the look of this car. This is the G63 facelift. There are some changes in the front, mainly in the intakes. We'll take a closer look at this later, and also under the hood. So now this is a mild hybrid V8, very well known, which is handcrafted in AFFALTERBACH, the home of AMG. 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo, and the power output is 585 horsepower and 20 horsepower from the mild hybrid. 850 Newton meters is the torque, and the engine is mated to AMG Speedshift TCT 9G, so 9-gear transmission. 4.4 seconds is acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour, and top speed 220 km per hour. Night package 1 and also night package 2, or extended night package. The AFFALTERBACH badge on the hood as well, replacing the classic Mercedes-Benz badge on the pre-facelift, and everything is smoked, even the indicator lights, and also the star is blacked out in the front. A really nice design on this. We have some new design of the wheels, but these are the well-known cross-spoke AMG forged wheels in matte black. You can also get these in silver. Brake calipers you can get in silver, red, and also in this black with white lettering. 295/40 R22 are the tire size on the front, and also at the back the same size. V8 bi-turbo blacked out once again on the front section of the car, and the exhaust now can be in black, but in this case we have it in silver, as well as the sideboards can now be blacked out. We have also the keyless go system, and on the rear we have the same tire size, so we can check this out. 295/40 22. You can start with 20, then go to 21, and 22 are the largest ones. So here in the back you can see the theme is continuing with the blackout badges and also the Mercedes star on the reserve cover of the tire and the wheel, of course. The car looks really magnificent with this. Check out the G63 in black. So everything is blacked out already from the factory, so you don't need to do anything in terms of this. So let me know how you like this in the comment section down below. So here is a close-up at the keyless entry, keyless go. This is first time at the G-Class facelift, and many people love this. But you still get the same G-Class sound with the doors, even though you have a keyless. So this is just fantastic. And now let's take a look at these front flaps. So these are in the intakes on the sides. From the side they look like they are closed almost, but from the front they are really open. Alright guys, and this is the interior of the G63. In this one we have less bougie spec. This one is like, we can say, less in terms of the craziness. So you can see black Nappa leather, really luxurious. Also the wood is black in this case, check it out, sort of dark ash wood. You can see the differential locks. These are top one, middle one, and the rear one. So first, if you are stuck, you engage the middle one, then the rear one, and then the front one if it doesn't help. So 1, 2, and 3. Also here we have the latest infotainment system, as you can see, NTG7, and the new AMG Performance steering wheel. This one is in full Nappa leather. I really prefer the carbon and Dynamica for the G-Class, a really luxurious version. And you can change, of course, from classic all the way to sport and super sport. Super sport and classic, these are my two favorites for sure. You can always see the temperatures. Top one is for the transmission, then you have the engine oil and of course the coolant. And right now it's 35.5 degrees, and it will be even more hot today, so it's 12 o'clock just now. So yeah, diamond stitching here, wood, Burmester system, and also the illuminated strip here you can see as well. So you can see it here a little bit better. The illuminated strip looks really cool in the new G63. It looks even better if you have a more white interior. And also for the G63 in Europe, here we have the new speed regulation system. If you want, you can turn it off easily here. Just press on this icon. It's always here in this top left corner. As an alternative, you can hold the mute button and it will do the same job. Check it out. See, so now it's also off. You can also see here settings changed. So depending what you want, hold the mute button or press the icon on the display. So here in the back we can see sneak peek of the interior, which is this beautiful red. You can see the name of the red on the screen. So check out here the sneak peek of the interior. This is red pepper, I believe. Name of the red, carbon fiber trim and G-Class boot. Here is actually, I believe this is the cargo net, which you can connect here. So that's that. Not a lot changes do I see here in the interior. Net on the right side, hooks for cargo, subwoofer, and you can fold the seats 40-60 the split. We have opening here as well. That's basically it. Okay. G-Class doors. There is no keyless here, so you need to go to the doors to lock the car. So once again, biggest change I would say is from the front. From the back, small changes. I really love this as well. AMG fuel cap cover. I have this one as well on my A35 AMG. And you should use 98 or more, but 95 is also possible. Tire pressures you can see here. And yeah, such a gorgeous looking vehicle. The G-Class is really iconic car. And the G-Class is really iconic car. And I truly love this. The G63 for sure. So let me know how you like the exterior. I think it's now enhanced and much better looking. So let's go ahead and let's check out the interior. Also, if you look here on the side steps, they are now fully black, so that is nice as well. So biggest change of course is the keyless. You can close if you just press here, and you can open if you insert the palm. So let's do close, and you can also turn off the engine like this. I have a key in my pocket now. So now the vehicle is closed. You can press, put your palm just here, and now it unlocks, as you can see, also there. So lock. So you need to put your palm like this in order to open and close. Only this. Don't put your palm there and don't close like this, because it will not. Sometimes it will close, but it's better only press here from outside. You still need to press here to open the door, and G-Class door sound is still here. Alright guys, so let's take a look here at the interior. You can see this beautiful red here in the sun, carbon fiber Burmester speaker, really nice leather Napa black. Also check out here the AMG, this is illuminated. You can see also AMG floor mats, Burmester surround sound system, and definitely the biggest star of the show is this new steering wheel. Check it out, really lovely. This one is with the carbon fiber and Dynamica, and here you can see the seats, diamond stitching, and really gorgeous AMG logo. So let's hop inside. So here we are looking at the new steering wheel. I have to say that before, as I told you, from the exterior, once again here I thought, okay, steering wheel, infotainment, but it really transforms the car in a great way. Also check out here, we have the new ambient strap, really nice, this one, and it illuminates here the middle console. You can also see it here from this side, really lovely for sure. So here we can see the new infotainment system. This is a classic one. You can see the temperatures. You can change also what is in the middle, and then you have also Super Sport, which I really love. And yeah, with this one you can also see a bunch of stuff, and as with other AMGs, it really transforms AMG to a new design. So it really transforms AMG to new design. Let you know how to like this. Carbon fiber really enhances the interior together with the new design of the differential locks. You can see this one is the front one, middle one, and the rear one. You can see also low range and manual mode. So here we can check out quickly the performance for the new G63. You can see the vehicle here. This is also touchscreen, finally. Engine, but also you can use the touchpad here. Engine, you can see data, IWC. Schaffhausen watch. So really nice in my opinion, really gorgeous. Also what I love is here manufacturer branding on the grab handle, traditional grab handle, which passenger grabs. It's really sturdy, okay, for the off-road driving. And the beautiful red leather, this is diamond stitching, absolutely fantastic. Check it out. Also here, really like a quality soft leather, really top. So the G-Class is the top product in my opinion. Also check out the glove compartment, really cool. So let's go and check out the back, but it should be the same as before. Let's go and check it out. So here is the back, basically the same ISOFIX for the kits, and armrest here in the middle, two cup holders. Check out here, now we have illuminated USB-C ports, 12-volt socket, and here the temperature as well for the rear passengers. Some storage space, illuminated AMG logos, beautiful doors, carbon, some door pockets. So essentially we can say the same. And check out here how the front looks from the back. Let me know how do you like this. Or I guess that's it for this video. Let me know how do you like the new G63 in the comment section down below. Smash the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.